Here is the Iowa State Fair forecast for today. This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, August the 9th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, we have some cloudiness across the middle part of the country with some decaying showers and thunderstorms at the time. Some cloudiness over the Rockies and into the Great Basin, and some over the south and eastern part of the country. Watch warning map was fairly quiet across the country at that hour. The excessive heat watches and warnings continuing over the desert southwest, where they had temperatures well above 100, even 110. Death Valley was 126. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, and this includes rainfall that fell last night, and most of the rain you see over the state of Iowa fell last night. There'll be maybe a little bit in the next couple of days. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. The 594 ridge of heat and scalding temperatures well off to our south and west. Trough digging further to the south and east. Could spawn or spark a shower or storm around today, but it's going to be very isolated and spotty, and any place that does get some rain may get a tenth or two out of it. Most places will be dry, even here into Friday as the storm system moves off. High pressure comes in, and temperatures are going to be seasonally below average. Highs in the 70s to lower 80s. Saturday will probably be the best of the 2 days of the weekend. Probably a good day to go to the State Fair in Des Moines, where there'll be a couple degrees either side of 80. 70s to lower to middle 80s statewide. Sunday, a little bit of a fly in the ointment with some showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm with a disturbance moving through, but I don't think people will mind if they get wet at the fair, considering the drought conditions. Monday, that moves off to the east, could see an early day shower, namely east of Interstate 35, and then skies clear. Temperatures in the 80s by this point as temperatures begin to warm again. Tuesday, same story, 80s, maybe a couple of upper 80s, maybe a 90 or two in the far western counties of the state, cooler to the north and east. Then Wednesday, we have another disturbance moving in, a low pressure system near the Montana-North Dakota border, dragging a frontal system down. Gulf will be opening up, so some showers and thunderstorms are possible over western Iowa. And a week from today, we pretty much have a zonal flow, flat ridge over the south and east, keeping a lot of the hot and fairly humid weather, although not overly bearing weather down there, and we'll have some showers and thunderstorms, it looks like. So the pattern is getting to be more active and more wet, and unfortunately for farmers, this may be a little bit too little too late by this point. A couple days later here on the 20th, however, zonal flow still pretty much across the country, a bit of a ridge trying to build in from the Atlantic, and otherwise with that, showers and thunderstorms scattered to numerous from here southward, and a frontal system will be moving through the Dakotas that could bring us some rain later that week. And at the end of the forecast on the 24th, ridge over the east, trough over the north and west. We're right in the middle with the west to west-southwesterly flow aloft with disturbance moving along the West Canadian border, and this could bring some showers and thunderstorms with some Gulf air coming in. So it's getting more and more active, and we hope this continues as we really need the rain to alleviate any more drought. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Friday.